Hi, I'm Lauren Stroop. My major is General Studies, and this is how social media impacts student self-esteem. The problem is that social media has a lot of negative effects on students. Being online and seeing others who live more exciting lives can make a person's self-esteem drop. This is an issue for students because having low self-esteem impacts how well they do in class and in their social lives. Local, national, and global effects. Locally speaking, I've noticed in many classes throughout high school and now college that not many people want to speak up or participate in class due to the fear of being judged by peers. This is closely related to the pressure students feel to be cool or more interesting than others online. Locally, social media has a greater impact because people you see online are typically people you see in or around the classroom. Nationally, social media has a huge effect on students all over America. Seeing what other students from all over the nation think or what opinions they're posting online about certain topics can greatly influence how a person feels or views things themselves. All over the globe, people have noticed the negative effects that social media has on students. Penn State, UCLA, and Babeș-Bolyai University in Romania are just a few places that have conducted research on the topic. Statistics. The data in this chart shows that all over the world, boys and girls' self-esteem has been impacted by the rise of social media. Roughly half of all male students are thought to have a low self-image. 80% of female students have admitted to having a poor body image after comments made by friends and family online, and about 85% of the world's population has been affected by low self-esteem due to the increasing impact that social media has on society. Basically, as social media becomes more and more popular, it has a greater effect on people and their self-esteem, especially students who are already struggling with self-image and stress from school. Solving the problem. In order to stop social media from taking such a big hit on our self-esteem, we need to stop caring so much about others' opinions and worry about our own happiness. The more we post about and fill our social media with things that make us happy and reduce worry about how others perceive us, the better we'll feel about ourselves. And here's my citations.